It's important for us as kura-auraki to give back to our community and give back to where we're from, like what whenua our kura is on.
I think that brings big significance to this kapa. You know, we've got islanders, we've got people from, I think, China, you know, Pākehā, all sorts of races. It just adds to the usness, you know. You don't see a lot of kura-auraki getting on big stages like this.